Page 30 is really dance. Keep in mind the word dance. 2/4 time, so the 2 beats in a measure, 2 quarter notes equal. Okay. 1 flat, we're either in F major or D minor. And if you look at this, it's pretty clear it's in D minor. You got D minor sound throughout the piece, it's in D minor. You have 3/8 notes at the beginnings, it's a pickup. So it's like and, 2, and. So it's 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Okay. Well, let's check things out here carefully. Starting with the right hand, it's a broken chord. 2 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2. And that's tied. That D is tied. All 3 of those D's are tied together. You only play it 1 time. And then go on and. Let's just stretch out for this position. And 2, and then claps. Don't forget the B flat. And that's tied. 3 of those tied together, and then second finger. 4th finger. That's tied. Isn't this fun? And then go on. Now here, last measure of page 30. It's here, here. 8th notes. 1 and I recommend, this is the chord we're playing. It's the last 3 notes on page 30. And the first note on page 31, that's the chord. 4th finger on the F, not 3rd. So then you can collapse and use 3rd. It's the same rhythm we had before. Second line, they pointed out it's a D. You should know it's a D anyway, so memorize that note. It's right above the second ledger line, it's a D. You ought to know the second ledger line is a C. That's an important note, just like an anchor point. Keep that in mind. Well, it's just a little above it. That's pretty much the right hand. Left hand's the broken chords. Alberti bass. Second line. And then, if you don't want to be up in here, then use second finger. Then here, 3rd line. That's just a 5/7 chord. That's pretty much it for the left hand. Put them together. It's here. Remember, it's an and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. And remember that D is tied. And then go. Basically playing it again, but the right hand is up an octave. You put the heads together and then go back through and get rid of the hesitations. It needs to be a steady 8th note pulse. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. This is where the dancing comes in. People are moving to this. Now in any music you don't want to hesitate anyway, but with dancing or marching or any kind of music that people are moving to, you got to have that beat there. So don't mess up the beat, whatever you do. Keep that going. As far as the articulation goes, left hand connect it. They don't tell you anything. I guess if you wanted to disconnect it, you could. You have to experiment. Give you staccatos at the bottom of page 30. I'll leave that up to you. If you whatever you want to do in the right or the left hand, it's between you and your teacher. If I connect it, you can make it a combination of connected and not connected. What do you want to do? I can connect the first 2 notes. There's all kinds of possibilities here. When the music doesn't say anything, it's up to you and your imagination and what you like to hear. You can probably find recordings of this. I don't know exactly what the name of the thing is. Now, dynamic-wise goes to the melody loud. And it's all pretty much loud throughout. And at the end, you even get louder. You have a sforzando on the last note, which is a major accent. I disagree with putting an accent sign on a sforzando note. The sforzando is an accent. It's the strongest you can have. So just play it loud and get louder. It's like boom. You're ending with a boom, but make sure it's a musical boom. Don't get vulgar with it. Collapse the wrist on this. Don't play. Yeah. Just loud. As far as the speed goes, I think it depends on how much you've had to drink. I'm not sure. And then you repeat it and play it all again and do that. Okay. Actually, if it's a dance and you're having fun, you just keep repeating it. You can go on as long as you want. Now, there's no pedal in this, of course, because it needs to bounce along. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check all the notes and everything. And we will do the repeat, though. We're just going to go slow. So I'm going to give us 2 counts and a half. So ready and go and 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1 and 2 and something like that. Yeah, you'll figure it out. Ready and go and 1.